No, you actually remove that nylon there. It's an unboxing day, guys. Woo! Take a picture. Take a picture. Hey, wait! I always use this empty carton, but yeah, I don't know how those things. We have different sizes of pot now. Take a picture, please. No, I said take a picture. Don't take more than 2 times. Guys, we need one big pot. Come on, give me this one. I have to take a picture. Take a picture. The packaging of this thing was, look at this one. Already starts having a problem. And this is what I don't like in a pot. I like when you cover a pot, you know that you've covered a pot. This one is already having a problem now. Can you see it? Even this side also. So their packaging was not well. Even though I well built it, I didn't come back with it. So I don't know how rough they handled it. So we're moving forward to the nonstick. So I made a lot of inquiries about this because I've used like 3 sets of this nonstick, and to be honest with you, I don't like the outcome. I told myself that I'm not going to buy this nonstick again because at the end of the day, I don't like it. I don't want to try to maintain it with the set of spoons and all that. It still finds a way to peel. So because of that, when I went to the market to buy the pot, I was actually looking for a good stainless pot, but I didn't like the stainless pot that is actually padded. The padded ones, I've used it also. With time, the padded side will begin to pull off. I don't know. I think I have like 3 sets of 3 pots. 3 pots in one. There's in one set, but 3. The 3 of them actually did such thing. With time, the padded part will start to pull off. So I was looking for non-padded stainless pot. I didn't find it anywhere in Lagos. I actually tried, and they now recommended this for me. They said this granite, what do they even call it? They said granite series, that I should try this one. You know, market mouth now, that I'll come back for more. So let me see now. Let me see. It's almost tempting with the ones that I've used already, but let me see. Me, I shall bought this one because of content. Normally, I don't buy my this thing because I don't like the fact that whenever I'm cooking, this thing chooses spoon for me. When you choose this spoon or this whatever you choose to use in the kitchen, you now remember that you're using a non-stick. You have to go and drop it and pick a non-stick those silicone spoons and all that for this. So I don't even like that part. It kind of stresses me out. The aluminium pot started from big sizes. So I needed smaller sizes. That's why I bought smaller sizes from the granite pots. This pot is 5 in 1. Whoa. Okay. Oh, you actually removing that nylon there. Very sharp knife. I'm done. Stop it.